Welcome back to Cooking with Casey. Today we are making a Dijon mustard dressing. It's so good on a burger, on a salad, or some of those really bitter greens that you just don't really like the taste of. You add this and bam, it's like absolutely delicious again. So we are going to use olive oil, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, you can use honey too, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. I've already measured out a half a cup of our olive oil here, a half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1, this is fresh maple syrup from Vermont, 2, and 2 tablespoons of our Dijon mustard. 1, 2, and a hint if you're using the same measuring tool, do the maple syrup first because then it makes it nice and slippery for the Dijon mustard to come on out here. Alrighty, and a little salt and pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. You can adjust this accordingly after you taste it. Put it all in our little mixer here. Let's see what we've got. Perfect, I think. Give it a little taste. This is gonna go delicious. Again, on a burger, a salad, or whatever you want. And we can pour it into a mason jar. And there we have it, everybody. A Dijon mustard dressing for you.